This is what's done on the watershed.
Alright, me and my partner John, we're trying out this new spot, and right here we just found this. Looks to be like a cellar hole. Only thing we could think of. Down on the river over here, there's an old foundation from an old sawmill. Did a little research on this place, and supposedly there's a few sawmills here, but so we decided to concentrate over by this foundation, the cellar hole, and I don't know, 10 minutes into it, buddy John, about 4 inches down, it's got a large scent, and looks like to be a coronet, maybe, or a matron. Can't really get a date off it yet. There's the back. And there's the front. So like I said, about 10 minutes in, his first good target. We'll see what else we can get.
Winds of war have little to do with it. On a rescue mission to save our city. I got sidetracked cause the water looks so pretty. And they were furious, furious, furious.
Alright, so we moved on to a new spot that we're just trying out for the hell of it, and my boy John is kicking my butt today. He just got 1902 barber quarter. Looks like to be in pretty good shape. So we've never been to this spot before, but just out of the blue we decided to come here. We're gonna look for gold because this is a soccer field, but now that he's got some old silver, I think we'll be looking for gold and silver today. But about 6 inches. So he's really doing well today. I'm being skunked.
'Cause it wasn't the first time it had happened. But we're all just animals.
Alright, we're at farm field. This farm goes way back, early as the 1600s, and my buddy John just found a draped bust and a thimble, and I just got a buckle, an old buckle, and a few other things and relics. And about 5-6 inches down, I just had a good signal, but mixed. You can see that piece right there? That's a piece of iron. And there, that's the large cent. I knew I was getting a solid hit in there, and turned out to be right. But that piece of iron was throwing me off, so let's see what we got here. So this will be our second large cent here today. I'm not sure what this is. but I'll try to get an ID on it and I'll be back.
Just animals. Taken by a nurse and let his enemy outside on a rescue mission to save his country. His mind so